All right, so dancers, if you would, go ahead and get ready. Warpaint, get ready. Audience, if you could please stand at this time and remove your headgear. We're going to be going into grand entry time at Running Water Powwow. Hello, Warpaint. Let's take it away. Everybody's ready. Grand entry time. Let's sing, let's dance, let's bring the covers in, the dancers. Hanyo, hut, hut. Hey, powwow time, ladies and gentlemen. Warpaint singing a good song from Mystic River. Carrying in our Eagle staff, Mr. William Hayden. Our POW flag, Robert Chavis. And the American flag, Douglas Logan. Ha-ha! Our head dancers, Brandon Stewart, our head male, and our head lady, Zena Clark, leading the dancers in. Coming in behind them is our visiting royalty. Our men's traditional and Eastern woodland dancers, followed by our men's southern straight. Our warrior categories. Yeehaw! Toy Story. Dancers, the good Omaha style, and our men's curry chicken. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll see behind our men's curry chicken is our men's fancy color dancers. Starting with our women's traditional, the mothers of the arena. Jingle dress dancers, Nishnabek style, the healing dancers. Our women's fancy dancers, Indian aerobics. Following in behind them is our Tiny Tots. Those Tiny Tots, ladies and gentlemen, are future. Our future. All dancers have now entered the arena. Bring it home, Warpaint.